Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, what we're going to talk about is how to make money online in 2019 and the easiest way to do that. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you stick around and let's cue the intro. So if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So how do you make money online in 2019? Well, the best way is affiliate marketing. And before you say I've heard about that and all these things, make sure that you stick until the end because I've got some golden nuggets for you at the end of this video. So, what affiliate marketing is, for those people who haven't ever heard of that, is you get a certain product that you actually like you know, it can be basically everything online, and most people have affiliate product and most companies have affiliate programs. So what you do is there's this certain products that maybe cost $100, and every time someone buys that product from your link, because you're going to get a link when you sign up for that product, you get maybe a 50% commission. That's a very common thing to have in affiliate marketing, is like a 50% margin, or you know, it can really depend on what you do, but if it's like a course or something, a 50% commission is about what you're going to get. So how do you actually get people to buy it? It doesn't work overnight. What you have to do is you're going to create a YouTube channel about that product. Maybe you're going to create a review. Maybe you're going to like interview the person that owns that company. Maybe you're going to, you know, do comparison products, or maybe you're just going to do just a random video, but that goes around that certain thing that you're talking about. So if you know you have a product to lose weight, maybe, then you're going to talk about how to lose weight, and at the end of the video you're going to say, well, there's this product that's actually helped me lose weight, and like it does this and that. I'll put the link in the description if you're interested, and you can actually buy it. So that's what you do at the end of the video. Now, most videos you're not going to get many views, especially if you're just starting a video like a YouTube channel, but it's a very, very good way to actually go about it, because people that actually search for it are actually most likely interested in it. So if you do comparison products, if you do comparison videos, if you do reviews, if you do all sorts of different things that tie into that, then most likely people are actually interested in it already. If people are looking for a video to lose weight and you explain like how to lose weight, but tell them that this product also helped you to lose weight, then people are most likely going to buy from you. Now, maybe like you're going to get 2,000 views and nobody will buy it. Maybe you'll get 3 views and somebody will buy from you. It really depends on a lot of different reasons, but you know, you just have to put in the work and see what sticks. Some things just won't work, some things will, but you just have to do it. Now, I said I was going to give you a golden nugget, because you can actually take it to the next step. Because putting the link in the description is all good, you know, you might get a sale, you might not get a sale, but if you do, you're happy and all that stuff. However, the client is not going to be your client, it's going to be just a client of that company. You don't get their email, you don't get anything. So what you want to do instead is to actually build a sales funnel. So what a sales funnel is the first part of the sales funnel is just basically your YouTube videos. Then instead of putting the link to that, you know, to that product, what you're going to do is put the link to a landing page. So landing pages where people have to enter their name and email, or maybe just their email, it really depends. So as soon as, I'm sure you've seen that before. So if people enter the name and email, then they get like, it becomes your client. And then you have a sales video where you explain why that product is so good. Like you put it like even more, people are already warmed up with your YouTube video, and then you tell them why it's that good. So that's the second part of it. So you explain why it's good, and then they have a link at the bottom, and that's where you put your affiliate link, and then you're going to know if they bought from you. You're going to have their email, and that's a huge part, because a lot of people will not buy the first time round. People really need to get warmed up. So what you're going to do now that you have their email is you're going to build an email sequence. What an email sequence is when you write some emails you write some emails once, like you write 7 emails, at least that's what I do, but you can do more, you can do less. And you have 7 emails, and they just go out every single day to anyone who signs up. So you don't have to write the emails a million times, you just have to write them once. So then people are going to get that email, and what you're going to say in that emails is just, giving them value, but also telling them about that product. I know you're busy, but that product is really good. Maybe you should consider checking it out because it really helped me. Maybe it will help you, and don't lie about it. If it didn't help you, just don't even sell it. But this is what's going to happen. You're going to get some emails. Well, they're going to get some emails like with value and also that affiliate link, and you have like maybe 10 times more chance of actually getting a sale. And that's what you have to do. That's like the best way to do that. Now, if you're interested in doing that, there's a link in the description on how to how to build a sales funnel. So you just click on that, and it will take you through a process. Now, obviously, I put my money where my mouth is, so you're going to have to enter your email, and you're going to get some emails. But that is a great example, so you should absolutely do that. So with that being said, I really hope you got a ton of value in this video. If you did, make sure that you smash that subscribe button, also hit that notification bell, so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.